What's up, everyone, and welcome back to week three of the regular season, episode 6, 7. I lost count, to be honest, but we're back at it again. This week I just pulled up the game right now. I haven't played in a minute, so let me retrace my steps right now. This week we will be playing. My God, my slurring. Um, Oh my God, that was hard to fight, guys. We will be playing against the Tennessee Titans. Um, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I've been saying '06 teams, but I've been thinking about Madden '06. But that game was created in 2005, so all those '05. So we're rebuilding the '05 Rams. I do apologize, but yes, we are rebuilding the '05 Rams. We did lose tremendously against the Cardinals. Last game, let's check the stats right now. Actually, mind you, I haven't played this game in a couple of weeks. I just started school not too long ago, so it's been pretty different. It's different right now. So Aaron Rodgers right now, this season, even though it's week three, he has 425 passing yards, two touchdowns, and three interceptions. We kind of need to fix that. Um, who are you? Reggie Hodges. I don't remember throwing a ball. It was probably in one of the Cardinals games, but yeah, we did lose a lot with Kurt Warner. But yeah, last game I traded someone. Where got who? So let me check the stat book league news. Let's do the Rams update. Let's sign. We signed her. Who is this trade? Who is this trade? I remember we did sign Quincy Carter to a 5-year deal. Um, I remember that. Oh, I probably said that last video, but yeah. So week three, we're against the Titans. Um, let's see who the Titans have. I gotta start doing this where I show the roster. So they have Keith Bullock. You know, their defense and offense is pretty good. They still got Steve there. He's out. He's out for an injury. So I think they'll probably be doing Billy Volklek. I don't know how to say his name. Chris Brown, the original Chris Brown. Um, the original Chris Brown. Give me that. Give me that. Yeah, that Chris Brown. Um, well, this Chris Brown who doesn't beat up women. Yeah, we're against him. Drew Bennett. He was a pretty good wide receiver back in the day for a white boy. He was pretty good. Yeah, we're against them. I don't know anything much about this roster. I don't. I mean, I know about Steve McNair in the 2000s, but I don't know that whole roster like that. Let me know. But they were Super Bowl. They were against each other in the '99 Super Bowl, so I give them that. So yeah, we're against Tennessee Titans Super Bowl rematch, kind of. They probably had a rematch years earlier. Um, let me get them the Houston. Yeah. So it'll be all right. We're back home. First game home. Um, we've been losing. Out of all the videos I've been posting, we've been losing technically 3 games in a row. If you include the preseason, so we got to win today. Ty Law, you know, I need to check. I should have checked the stats, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, but hey, you live and you learn. All right, Titans versus Rams. Let's get it. Let me turn up the game a little bit. We win the ball. Yeah, we're in the bottom seed, so we got to do something. To Brown. Ooh. Ooh. Rookie Rogers. Let's do this. Let's do this. It's gonna suck when I stop calling him that after next season. Oh fuck, bro. I just don't have good awareness. Like I'm just gonna give the ball right now. We didn't score shit last game, so it's time for us to. This looks like the arena looks like the Super Bowl they played in, low key, but they didn't play in that. I know for sure because I know the 2021 Tampa Bay Buccaneers. No, 2020 Buccaneers won that game. Let me know in the comments. Damn, guys. What's up, guys? This is Oscar Cruz chugging a beer bottle. Oh, shit. For Brock Bowers. Day 7. I'm kidding. Sparkling water. Yeah. They don't have Steve McNair in this game. So we can, like, kind of play with them, but we got to play smart. They have a good defense, so I don't want to be too cocky because last couple games we've been messing up. Oh, shit. Is that a 4th down? That's a 4th down, guys. I'm surprised they didn't challenge it. Well, knock on wood because this game's fucking trippy. I'm gonna keep it in there until I get a touchdown with that old man. Like that's the plan right now. All right, we're gonna just gonna. I think they know our strategy. If Rogers keeps playing like this, like I'm gonna have to like bench him for a minute, bro. I had to put Quincy Carter for that. Ooh, okay. I like that. Steven Jackson up the middle. Let's get it. We just have to win. It sucks because I really wanted to play against Steve McNair. He's actually like one of my favorite quarterbacks growing up as well. Peyton Manning, Rich Gannon, you know, your average duo. Ooh. We're just gonna move the ball like back and forth, like passing. I don't want to throw too much and throw over deep, so just gonna play smart now. Because I'm gonna notice like rewatching the videos, the reasons why we're taking L's. Oh my fucking god. Oh, that's it. That's terrible. We're gonna need a new kicker, that's for sure, for next season. I mean, this is only season 1. I just want to at least get this team in the playoffs or something. Not this season, but hopefully next. This is a trial and error season, but oh my God, he's 3 for 3. Yeah, I think it's time to put Quincy Carter in the game. I might have to bench him for a minute, guys. I'm a big Houston. Where's your Oilers gear? Oh, whatever. I thought it changed to its Oilers gear. That's weird. You guys saw that? I thought I changed it. I changed the uniform to the Oilers. What the fuck? Oilers. I can't even say the fucking name. Holy shit. Oh, let's get it. They can't make that. Who the hell do they think they are? Sebastian Janikowski? Let in. You just gotta run, dude. The goal is to get Aaron Rodgers out of his comfort zone. Damn. Let's do this. Risky play. Risky plays. Damn. I'm not going for it.
I don't think you have a choice. Punt the ball. So they'll line up the punt after going 3 and out. Here's the punt. They'll spot this one where it went out. This is what
Fuck, that's my fault, guys. Holy shit.
The Rams come out in a 4-3. Dropping back to pass on first down. Throwing. He hits his receiver.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Brought down at the 5 yards away from the end zone.
We can't lose to a backup. Like the goal here is not to lose to a backup.
Looking for the goal line. Setting up play action. Closing in. Nowhere to throw at that time. Nowhere to run either. He has to do a better job reading the defense before the snap and getting the ball out to his check down receiver before the rush gets in. Only one man in the backfield. Hand it off. Coakley comes up to make the play. Boom. This defense will stop him for sure. 11 yards to the end zone. Brown, the lone back. Pressure, Rosen. The defender's got it.
Oh, intercepted. That was clean. That was clean. Oh, that was amazing. That was God. He's got miracles for me. Let's turn down the game a little bit. Sorry, guys. I had to change like the settings sometimes.
Jackson with a nice burst through the middle that time. 5-yard pickup inside their own 20.
Let's give the big boy some yards.
Williams is there on the stop. And that game will hit them a
Typical Madden moves.
ball on their own 16. Holt is lined up on the right. Dropping back to pass on first down. On the move. Picked off.
Oh, that's my fault. It's gonna be a defensive game. Yeah. I can't let Aaron Rodgers be a buzz. He's only like 21. It's like he's got time. He's not. We gotta bench him. I'm sorry. I can't. I can't let him go like that. I'm at fault.
Try this call here.
Yeah, Rogers is bench. We're just doing preseason now. I'm sorry. Like I had to make that decision. That's on me because I keep on making the mistakes. I don't want Rogers to be like a bust, and I gotta work on my throwing. So we're just gonna use a backup quarterback for now. So we'll kind of do like real life, I guess, in this scenario. But you know, yeah, well,
He pokes his way through the middle of the
CB
line.
Chris
He's
Brown,
able to run straight
now who
across the
beats up
middle.
Rihanna, gets a touchdown.
As blockers create a crease, he finds it, and he's through it on his way to 6. This is a good special teams
This
play.
team's just a fucking mess right now. Like I think Super Bowl hangovers are real for the losing and winning team. Hot take: Raiders are still in the playoff hungover. That is never going to change, unfortunately. Like as a Raider fan, I see that.
Call touchdowns when you get field position like that.
Just give us like at least I don't know when our time is gonna come, but it will come soon. Just like how Tim Brown's old ass, like ooh, yeah, we gotta get a veteran. We can't use like a just like your number average rookie. Like I'm just gonna give him a couple games and then he'll come back.
This is tough running here. Let's watch him as he gets through right here. And he breaks a tackle and keeps moving forward. I'll tell you, this guy's hard to bring down.
Ooh, Torrey Holt, Torrey Holt. He needed four men were chasing after that boy. That's crazy. All right, so I see the little bit of momentum with the team, I guess. Steven Jackson. Ooh, right up in the middle. Is that a first down? Yes, first down. Alrighty. I don't know that much about Quincy Carter. I mean, I mean, I don't think my cousin remembers. Rest in peace to him. Well, the Raiders are 1 for 1. They're against the shit.
When the defense brings extra guys in the rush, you have to make your reads more quickly. You probably have time to look at your first read, maybe even your second, and you got to get your hot receiver pretty quickly
We're
to
gonna have
know
to run it.
who you're going to
I don't
take
want to
on
risk
second
it.
down.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to risk it. I'm gonna go for it. I know I said I will work on that, but we'll do it like once a game. I hope. Come on, come on, come. Let's go! First down. Thank you for that stretch.
Let me tell you, the defense knew it was coming. They dug in and they did their best not to get knocked off the line.
I'm really
The
nervous.
offensive line just really wanted that one.
Colbert.
He really had good position on the receiver without interfering.
Third and 10. No, Torrey Holt. That was.
You better kick it here.
anywhere, bro.
This is a good one to call. So they're ready to go on offense after the missed field goal. They'll start at
Gonna
the
need a
40.
lot of help right here, guys.
Lined up on the right. Pressure coming. Rolling. Almost complete.
Intercepted.
The defense can't afford to take too many gambles by going for a pick
We're literally getting our ass beat by a rookie,
mistake.
by a backup, I think.
Play for the offense.
And we had to bench our rookie because he was getting his ass beat by the defense. Like, come on, bro.
This defense will stop him for sure.
Got a lot of good rides. He can go. No, no. That sounded like I was good at it.
Especially when you got guys nearby who are waiting to put a lick on him.
Dropping back to pass on first down. Gets the pass off. The defender
Intercepted. Let's go.
picks the wrong spots to throw to. The lead
We just
blocker.
gotta score some points. This offense is like doo doo, bro.
Defense makes a great play on the ball and beats your receiver to it.
The Titans come out in a nickel package. Hands it off. Becker is there on the stop. 6-yard gain. About 4 to go. Folk lines up on the right side. Drops back. Gets rid of it.
That's a good play.
Incomplete as the defender knocks it away.
3rd and short, and with timeouts left, they might just try to pound this one up the middle and pick up the first down.
This team has to start converting on 3rd down if they're going to be successful.
Jones.
Run it, run it, run it back, run it back, run it
What
back.
they're doing here is keeping the defense from huddling up. It keeps the same defense on the field.
Hand off to the tailback. Bullet is there on the stop.
And we got the turnovers on down.
Maybe he thought his team could make a play when it really mattered. Now they've given the other team a chance on offense.
Ball on the 46-yard line. Bennett is on the right of the formation. Dropping back under pressure. Tennessee will call a timeout here.
Like, there is no way.
2nd down and a long way to go. Out of the shotgun. With the throw. And he dropped it. So they don't get completion, and the defense got a little lucky there. 3rd and long. Do they gamble here or just keep it on the ground?
With the score being as it is, it might just be better playing it safe. That's the coach's decision, not ours.
I got him, 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 I got him.
And he hits his target. The 10. Touchdown. Titans.
I'll tell you, this is nice work by both the quarterback and the receiver on this play. Watch it here. He reads the coverage, looks for the best option, and then throws it to him.
I feel bad for the St. Louis fans because these are the same fans that probably like drove all the way like hella miles to LA. You know, get this fucker out of here, Holmes. What the fuck are you doing, Sid? To the LA Rams, Holmes.
They just can't seem to stop him.
Bruh.
Ready to put this one in the air. Nice pick.
Didn't know it was gonna be this hard. We got Tim Brown.
The 20.
Ooh,
Brown is able to get it.
that man's gonna.
7-yard line. The Titans with a 4-man front. Starts with Cordy. Jackson wasn't able to get anything going on that play. 2nd and 10. The Titans line up in a 4-3. With the throw. Drop.
Come on, bro. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna put him back into the game. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Didn't look off the defender, and he's lucky that one wasn't picked. Vincent Carter is now on the sideline, and he could be done for the day. Aaron Rodgers will come in to play quarterback. Folk is on the right of the formation.
He's gonna play real quarterback. The fuck you mean?
Going long to the left.
Get that shit open. 17-0.
The defense did a nice job of stopping them on third down. And if we see a punt and they could get a decent return, they might have enough time for a field goal before
Ooh.
halftime.
Here's the punt. Fair catch called for.
I want to get one of them so bad.
They'll go from the I formation. Then the motion man. He gets the catch. Kennedy pulls him down at the 22-yard line. It's second down and 8 to go.
I think next game I'm gonna have to bench Aaron. So like the next 2 games it's gonna be Aaron.
It's the end of
Carter,
the
I mean,
second
on the
quarter.
bench. I don't want to risk Aaron, but
Just about ready for the second half as they line up for the kickoff.
how does he have a better passing than us?
Good distance. From the 1-yard line. Handoff. The Titans had a lot of success running the ball
This
in the
team's
first
just
quarter.
not scoring. I mean, the defense is just
From the 30.
doing all the sums. Offensive protection.
They line up in the I formation. Hands it off. Breaks free of the defender. Coakley affords the tackle. Pickup of 11 on first down. So they have first and 10 here.
Dude, they're killing us on the offense.
The Rams line up in a 4-3. Kenny comes in motion. Gets the call. Stone takes him down. Picked up about 6 yards that time.
You should stop it with this play.
Second and 4. The Rams come out in a nickel package. On the carry. Here's Thomas is there on the stop. Brown battles his way forward for what appears to be a 2-yard pickup. 2 yards to go. They've done very well on third down to this point. Troop the motion man. Hand it off to the back. Kennedy.
You got the first down again?
Brown has gained enough for another first down, his second of the drive. The Rams with a 4-man front. He tucks it away. Archuleta stops him at the 42. Sixth play of this drive. 8 to go. The Rams line up in a 4-3. Hand it off. Play action. Throwing. It's broken up. The defender was positioned perfectly to get to that
Alright,
ball.
it's time to start asking Madden. Fuck this.
Let's see where the ball is going.
Fuck this, guys.
You made the play that time.
I gotta score like
Beauty.
With the carry. Closing in. Little is there for the tackle.
4th down.
This is a good special teams play.
Hantra comes into the game for the punt. Brown is there to receive his kick. Here's the kick. Won't take a chance trying to return this one.
Tell your line to protect here. Tell your line to protect every play, not just here. You need to get some time back there and let someone get open.
Holt lines up on the right side.
Come on, let's just fucking start.
Sermon with the
Who was
tackle.
that?
Makes the reception.
Manuelino picks up about 4 yards in that reception. Looking at home field. The Titans come out in a 4-3. Hand it off. Fuller is the guy.
First down.
Bring him down. Jackson runs it through the middle, a gain of about 6.
We just gotta, like, I don't know what we gotta do, y'all.
The Titans line up in a 4-3.
Rogers. Quick throw to Colburn. Oh no!
Was the guy they were trying to throw to deep.
I'm gonna have to go for it. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, 4th and inches.
And rather than punt, they're going to let the offense have a shot at this 4th down. Hand off to the tailback.
Let's go. First down.
First down is reached. First and 10. Holt is on the right of the formation. He surveys the field, throws it.
Oh, bro.
Man, he really got lucky that time, throwing it right at the defender who drops it.
They were in a zone
We're gonna do a quick draw
Put in
pass.
position to make the play. They let it get away.
The Titans come out in a 4-3 with the carry, fakes the handle, looking long down the right side of the field, and he can't haul it in. Rodgers saw the single coverage downfield and went for it all. As they get ready for this third down play, we'll take a look at how they've done today.
The defense really bears down on third down.
Gets the pass off and can't hang on. Two in a row just dropped.
Punted away.
I hate doing these, but I have to. We're like,
Gives the ball off. Play action. Stepping up with the throw.
come on.
Pass ball's incomplete. And when you're down by this much, you're forced to go for it, but they came up short.
In this type of situation, the team needs to try anything they can to get into the end zone.
Shoot, bro.
The Rams line up in a 4-3. They give it to the halfback. Coakley comes up to make the play. Picks up maybe 3 on that carry.
You should stop them with this play.
Convert for the first. They'll have to get the ball inside the 29-yard line. Bennett is lined up on the right. Drops back. Gets rid of it. And it's caught. Coakley brings him down. A 15-yard gain right there on second down.
He literally has 7 completions, 2 interceptions, 15 attempts, and he's.
Is there on the play. They need to reach the 11-yard line to convert.
And we're playing like shit right now. I can't even get mad though because this team's like hella good.
Claymore got very good penetration there. It's his third tackle of the contest. So they need about 3 here. Bennett is lined up on the right. Tucks it away. Fakes the handoff with the throw. Kenny was the one they were trying to get the ball to.
All right, so we got a minute. If we can score 2 touchdowns within like
So this one will be
this quarter,
31 yards out.
the beginning quarter, and then towards the end, we just got to stop them at least like
What a shift in this one. 20 unanswered points.
2 times. We got to make really good plays.
Booming kick downfield. From the 3-yard line. The 20.
Ooh, Tim Brown.
Penalty on the play.
What?
On the receiving team, number
Get some
42.
helpful field position after the officials march off the yardage. The Titans line up in a 4-3. Slings it to the outside. And he slips out of bounds at the 31. Rodgers will be looking at second down now after that pass picks up 5 yards. A little over 4 to go. Cole is lined up on the right. Rolling right. Pressure. A lot of running room, and there he goes. And he steps out of bounds at the 38.
Run the football. A good running game will really open up the pass.
Run the football, guys. Run the football.
They give it to the halfback.
Oh,
Williams.
first down, baby. First down and nickels.
Watch here. He just barrels into the defender.
I don't want to continue running it, so we gotta.
Textbook block right there.
Going to the air.
Okay, there we go.
Rosen.
Come on.
Almost
Oh my god, dude.
man coverage on the play.
Get the pass and look to the sideline. You can't let the clock run down here.
And this is the 5th play of this drive. The Titans come out in a 4-3. Dropping back. Unleashes the deep ball. Holt was the intended receiver on that play.
You got a ways to go for the first down. You're going to need a little time back there in that pocket.
Jackson, the lone back. Throwing on the run. Incomplete. And it will be
First down, pass interference. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
He was in the right place at the right time, and that saved them from giving up a lot of yardage. And this is the seventh play of this drive. The Titans mounted a nickel package. Drops back. Rolling right. Looking for the deep pass down the right side. Williams stops him. He comes up with the ball in the spot.
What? No! No! Okay, it's the fourth quarter. I thought we were gonna get it.
And the fans finally get to see their red zone offense. Play action. It's the
Oh, that's a touchdown, baby.
And here's what happened. The one thing that makes this play work is a fake to the basket. And
Look at that, Aaron motherfucking Rodgers.
that's what he needs to make the catch.
Look at that. Ooh, beautiful route. Now we got to make this field goal. We got to get a stop, score a touchdown immediately. Like there is no ifs, ands, and buts. It's an easy kick.
The extra point attempt is good. The Rams have just made it a two-score game.
This team could put up some points, but this might be a little too deep a hole.
That last drive, John, went for a touchdown with some excellent play calling.
Yeah, that was a nice job of keeping those chains moving and avoiding.
Beautiful kick.
Now they got to see if they can keep this momentum that they have established going for the remainder of this game.
I just want to like.
Offense ready to go again after their last drive ended.
We're just gonna.
It's first and 10. Only one man in the backfield. Looking for the halfback. The creep is in motion. Brown rumbles forward for a gain of 4. About 6 to go.
They're averaging about 20 points. How are they beating us?
The Rams with a 4-man
And their
front.
average is like 11.
Pickens blows it
That's a
forward. Snap
beautiful stop, beautiful coverage.
Yeah, that's an important quality to have if you're going to excel as a pass rusher. Explosiveness.
The Rams without one linebacker and several defensive backs.
Ooh, finally.
This is a good special teams play.
3 tackles is crazy.
This punt will be his third.
Come on, kick that shit. We're probably gonna kick it shitty. Yeah, he kicked it shitty.
And
No,
he leads
that's
with
good.
a fair catch.
See them coming.
Throw the screen out. Make sure you give them time to set up before you throw it out there.
The Titans come out in a nickel package. Pressure coming. Hit.
Fuck, dude.
He just kept dropping back and dropping back.
Yeah, I'm not sure what he was thinking on that one. He must have been waiting on the routes to develop. And before his receivers could get open, he got level for a big loss.
With the pass.
Ooh, no.
Big mistake by the offense.
Oh, no. He got that.
This play might work.
The offense
Fuck, man.
following the interception. Brown with the lone back. Back breaks free.
I just got out bodied, bro.
21 yards. And they'll have a first and goal. They line up in the I formation. Give it to the halfback. Touchdown.
Oh my god.
They extend this advantage with that touchdown run.
This is a good special teams.
This Chris Brown's beating us like the other Chris Brown, bro. Like,
They'll get some for the extra point.
bro, what the fuck?
The kicker
I've never gotten.
extra point attempt.
Oh my god. We need to do something.
Big lead here in the fourth.
Things have got to change in this. We are 0-3.
So much time left in the clock.
I don't know how. Like, our goal is to at least win like 5 games. I don't mind that. But Rodgers is. I'm playing like shit.
Defense, you have to dig in there and hold them to 3 when you're put in a position like this. But that
We haven't even gotten wins since the first preseason game.
move the ball like
Rodgers. That's a big play. That's a big play.
It was tipped, and the cornerback is able to tip it away from the intended receiver.
He's got a good sense of knowing where the ball will come down and when to make his move.
Folk lines up on the right side. Throws on the move. He hits his receiver. Bullock comes up to make the play. At the 35
We gotta
yard
make
line.
like deep routes. We gotta like
I think this is a good
flourish the
start for him
defense.
on third
We gotta
down
confuse the
situations
defense.
because they've been stopping him today.
Gardner is there for the tackle. It appears they're going to go for it, and here's how they've done so far. Flipping upfield. Setting up play action. Throws it. Nearly intercepted. They go for it. End up turning it over to the right.
They need to try to get something
I'm
going here on
disappointing the
third down
fans,
and
y'all.
fourth down. This is a good one to call.
Yeah, they're just gonna run the ball at this point.
The
Damn.
Raiders
I don't even know what we're gonna do.
hand it off. Claiborne is
Chris
there.
Brown is just beating our ass to A.
Heck,
Like if he was the literal Chris Brown.
Number 17. The Rams come out on a 4-3. Nice play fake with the pass, and he makes the grab. Fumble. The Rams
Get that
pick
shit.
up the
Get that
ball.
shit.
Costly fumble there, John. They give it up in the red zone.
I'll tell you, this
He's
is
got
always a good
miracles for
spot for
me.
upsets when you get down inside the 20. The teams that are successful in this league almost always get some kind of points.
And I hope he
Maybe
outs.
maybe they only kick a field goal, but they usually get something. That's a heck of a lot better than
We're
coming
just
up
gonna
with nothing
like.
at all.
And the kick is
Sheesh,
good.
Aaron Rodgers. I'm sorry.
Going to the air on first down. Gets the pass off. Drops it off.
Ooh.
Folk with the coverage.
Be efficient here. You can't afford to let time slip away from you.
2-minute warning coming up. Folk is on the right of the formation. Unleashes the deep threat.
That's
Almost.
no.
2 tipped passes in a row. Almost at the 2-minute mark now. The Titans come out on a nickel package. Throws it. Knocked away.
Come on,
On
dude.
offense again as they tip away yet another throw.
Punt it away.
2-minute warning coming up.
We're gonna go big dog, big nuts. All right.
So the punting unit stays on the sideline as I'm going to take a shot here on fourth down. Under pressure, flings it to the outside. This pass is incomplete. Aaron Rodgers is getting up very slowly. It looks like he'll head toward the sideline, and we'll get you an injury report as quickly as possible.
And our quarterback's injured because I keep on making mistakes.
The Rams line up on a 4-3. Hand it off to the back. Lillard is there on the stop. Brown takes it up the middle for a yard or two. Have to reach the 33 to convert.
Rodgers is hurt again. I knew this would happen. Like,
Four-man front.
the poor guy gave that game.
This one is handed off. Fisher is the guy who's there to bring him down. Number 44. Couldn't find an opening and was brought down very quickly. So an update now on the injury. It doesn't appear to be anything serious, and his return is probable. Looking upfield. Dropped in the backfield for a short loss.
This is a good special teams play.
Archuleta stops the clock there.
Yeah, let's just start with the Quincy Carter experiment. Rodgers, I'm gonna just give him a break.
Teams play.
He's getting hurt, and I don't want his like career to end. Because in this game, I think like if the players get injured pretty bad, like they become like they retire early. So yeah. It's my fault in this game once again. I really got to do better. Ooh,
From the 11.
Watch this. This guy's going all out trying to save this from being a
did
touchdown.
y'all saw that?
Did a heck of a job of getting there to keep it
They
out
just
of
alley
bounds.
ooped it.
Set his defense up with great
We got to do better in our third down conversions. Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, I'm thinking they're going to keep going to the air, but it might be a little too late.
1 minute to go in this game. Even though it's fourth and long here,
We're just doing it for the vine. For the vine.
this one falls incomplete. Down by this much here in the fourth, they had no choice but to go for it.
But they're in one of those four-down situations. They're trying to get something going. It's just that nothing's working. I know the coach loves it when he can tell his quarterback, just go out there for a kneel down, because that means you've got yourselves a win.
So they'll just wind the clock down and
I'm very disappointed in ourselves. We just got beaten by a fucking backup.
This is a good one to call.
Like, there's a lot we got to change on this team.
only one man in the backfield. Kenny in motion.
No more excuses. I don't know what to say. We're 3-0 now. Just end the game, bro. Like, just end the game. Like,
On the carry. Pickett brings up the
get that man out of here.
at the 8-yard line.
Heck, this is a good one to call.
They can still pick up the first without scoring.
I guess this is karma for the Super Bowl. Am I right? Like, I kind of fucking knew it.
On a four-man front. Give it to the
Oh my god. I hope he doesn't score.
The ball almost on the goal line.
Okay. He almost scored on us. 27-7.
7-7.
Titans win the game. Coach is disappointed. We gotta do better. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do right now. I think it's just I mean it is season one, so I'm not surprised. But we really gotta change teams. Let me know what I should do with the team or how should I do this. That's it for today. Here are the stats. As you can see, 118 yards. I really got to do better on his passing rating. Like I gotta play better. But yeah, as you can see once again, I want to see what the fucking quarterback did. Chris Brown just beat us like the other Chris Brown did. It was just we just got outplayed. We're Aaron Rodgers is a rookie, I guess, but that was on me. Those first two interceptions were really on me. So like, I really got to play better. Yeah, all four quarters we weren't scoring. But that's it for today, guys. For the game, there he is, 2 touchdowns. I mean, he carried the team, but I think next game I am gonna bench Aaron Rodgers just so he could be safe. And I think I might do that for the rest of the season, so that next season he could do better. Um, or I don't know. I'll just give him a couple games breaks. So let's see what our strategy can be. Yeah. Okay. So I'll bench him during the Giants Seahawks game. Colts. Yeah, we'll go for the next 4 weeks. We'll see what we do with the other team. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Once again, I'm Big O. Thank you so much for enjoying, and I hope you have a good day.